Hello, and welcome to another update video about Link. So on the Link chart, in my view, the white scenario is still leading. It is currently being challenged, but we have not broken below the key level here on the larger time frame at $16.55, $16.50. So this is still a correction that is certainly not complete yet. I would really like to see it complete now in the very short term. But obviously, is it going to hold 1655 if Bitcoin breaks down to, let's say, $80,000 to $85,000? Well, I guess we just have to see. There is an alternative on the chart, which would be the larger wave 2, assuming this wave 2 never bottomed. This would be a reasonable alternative. Just need to highlight that again, because if the market breaks below 1655, then we're probably dealing with something like, I don't know, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 before the market can attempt another rally. All right, it's just something to consider. It again emphasizes the need of taking profits regularly in the altcoin sector and the need to remain flexible. But again, we're still holding above the important pivot. So I would continue to watch for higher prices. At least we can consider that a low could form in the current price region on the smaller time frame. So we're going to move to the smaller time frame now. Just a quick reminder before we do that in the white scenario, the larger third wave should take us to $55 next and then probably 69 plus. Now let's take a look at the smaller time frame. Here, the local 1-2 setup that we were considering to the upside, that got invalidated. It doesn't, however, change the overall idea. I mean, this is the support area I just showed you. I guess it's just slightly, yeah, it's 1660. This is the level that needs to hold to keep the overall upside pressure alive. This is simply a consolidation at the moment. The correction, which I see as a wave 4, has become very protracted, very, very complex. I see it still as an ABC structure, but in reality, many other patterns would apply here. I could call it a WXY structure. I have decided to go with an ABC structure, and the move to the downside, which started here on the 13th of December, is seen as an ending diagonal. We can say wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. Oh, it's not even necessarily a diagonal. Could be a downside impulse. The wave 4 was very protracted as a flat correction, and we're now in wave 5 down. But is it going to, is it going to move up in wave 5? Or we will have to see, I guess. We're now in a support area. The 1-2 setup, which didn't look too bad, got invalidated, unfortunately. So the market needs to give us, let's say, again, new evidence that a low has been struck. And it can only do that by showing us some kind of an upside reaction to the current price region. Next Fibonacci support is at $18.67 and then $16.60. And below that level, however, the already presented green scenario on the daily time frame will become more relevant, right? So that we're going down further, possibly even to test the lower support region again. So if upper support breaks, well, the only other support box I have is still the lower one. And that's the one that the price tested throughout, October, November, September, and we dipped into this area in August. And then the price, however, could maintain above that level. But yeah, very, very boring price action, very, very messy price action at the moment. The market certainly had a chance, but could not reverse. So I think now it's important to watch specifically the 1660 level. Now, in summary, the market is in a wave 4 correction. The possible upside 1-2 setup that was forming, that got invalidated. That is not necessarily a major problem for the bullish scenario. It certainly does challenge it in the short term, but it just means that the market needs to provide new evidence that a low has been struck. Evidence that circle wave 5 to the upside has started on the shorter time frame would be a break above the $24.85 level. Yeah, that's the update about Link. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.